Can I have 1 minute of your time, please? I know you might not have enough time to spare, but may I look 1 minute? Just 1 minute.
Aww. I'd love to come back at this place.
I say, I'm sharp, boy. Bingo, boy, queer. Look here, boy. Ah. Look here, boy. Yeah, money. Big money.
Check, you don't know Maggy Films boss out there with a brand new one called Grand Theft Auto. People, me even must say nothing. See all that sugar mama them out there, me not say nothing. See? Taking a one from start to finish is another banger. Maggy Films. You know a one and never two.
Maggy Films.
Maggy.
Oh yeah, baby. Okay, you know how I go. Hey, yeah. Okay, you know how I go, and I'm always on my own. And you running through my mind, and the weather's getting cold. And my homies getting cuffed, and I'm stuck here all alone. And I'm scrolling through the gram, and you pop up in my phone. Yeah, you know I'ma hit you on a leg slide. We don't gotta waste no. That whole city's creeping, this could be a secret, yeah. Girl, I like to keep things simple. Come through when you find what you went for. I remember you, girl, you my nympho. Don't tell me that changed, they be screaming my name really all night, baby. It's never too late for an all night, baby. We can settle fight for the morning, baby. Bring it right now, I need it right now, yeah. Get you on your back, I know you love to. Even for the night, oh girl, I want you. Honest in my phone, my girl, I called you. Girl, I know it's late, but okay, you know how I go, and I'm always on my own. You running through my mind, and the weather's getting cold. My homies getting cuffed, and I'm stuck here all alone. And I'm scrolling through the gram, and you pop up in my phone. Yeah, you know I'ma hit you on a leg slide. We don't gotta waste no. That whole city's creeping, this could be a secret, yeah.
Yo, Stu. Go and check me down a Charmian shop now. Yeah, man. Ford, come check man the whole of these and things, because we have a next look work to go up on, you know. Alright, me there repair, man. Charmian.
You.
Line up one more different bridge in there.
Alright.
Ah. Ropes, connect. I do that now, my general. There, man. You see one more than thing there. Man, a two talk here, so man. Charmian, me get the next food there. Sit down, man. Me want some food. Boy, you're not easy, you know. I mean, can't see. Let's see, a few minutes. Yeah, man. Pass it up now. Alright. So you know, say girl Shanice link me. Eh, she finally ready now. Easy yourself. Remember say you the girl is boss. Remember say you tough. I just want to look at one girl that you know really not too much. You see me? Remember say you tough too, you know. Remember say me tough and I girl world, you know. And you tough and I hustler world. Now you are bring me, you know. Don't worry yourself, man. You know say yo, we have to help out one another. Each one help one. Alright? That is it, man. Charmian, me get a flavor splash here. How you want me, general? You want backstreet? I want backstreet too. Yeah, food you bad as well. Yeah, man, you know, say Charmian I best. Yeah, man.
Here you go.
Alright, thanks. Say me Charmian. Respect me, Charmian. Alright. Oh, Charmian gone now, can't reason. I hear me say now. Me have one next old, you see me, she in her age, she live over, on the scheme over Petersfield, so. You understand? Our man now did it because our man must go on a Bahamas for a little farming program, you understand? So, you know for your talent already, more you running over there Makes you fall in love with you. Because you know your girl is already, you know. Makes you fall in love with you because she not no car. You understand? Someone you force her to get a vehicle. You understand? Any little vehicle. Then we just rope and move that move with you, see me, and then we just jump to a next one. You understand? Because you know I feel look, you see me? You think about it?
That is it, man. Cool.
Alright, no,
Cool.
no say word, man.
Nice lady, hello.
Hi.
Can I get 1 minute of your time, please? I know you might not have enough time to spare, but may I look 1 minute? Just 1 minute. Okay, first of all, my name is Stu. And what is yours?
Stu?
Yeah?
Is that your real name?
No, my apologies. It's my street name. My friends call me Stu, but my real name is Andrew.
Okay. I'm Kelly.
Oh, nice to meet you, Kelly.
Nice meeting you too. So, why did you stop me?
It's kind of hard to explain. It came like more like a feeling to explain. Well, to be honest, I am a very shy person, and it's hard to come over and talk to you because right now I'm nervous.
Hmm. Um, I don't even know what to say to you. I'm kind of lost.
Okay, well, let me get to the point. I really do like you, and I know that you're a little bit older than me, and I am afraid for you to shame me.
Is that what you have to say to me?
Yes,
That is so hard for you to say? Like seriously? It's easy. You don't have to go through all this to tell me just that simple thing, you know? But I understand.
I think you're so beautiful, and I would like to get to know you.
Young man, getting to know me, I don't think that is the right thing. I am a married woman. I am not single.
Well, I understand. That simply mean I should give you more respect due to being here married.
Young man, it's the first time I'm hearing these things. And you say that you're shy? Your mouth is so sweet. I don't think you're shy. You're a brave person. You feel that you're shy, but you're not.
Well, my bigger brother always told me if I'm shy, I should use my shyness. And today, I am using my shyness because I always see you passing in the street and I'm afraid to stop you. So I determined to stop you and using my shyness today.
Okay, I understand.
Well, I'm glad you understand.
So what do you want from me?
I just want to get to know you and know your number.
Remember I told you that I'm a married woman,
I know, I understand.
but I can give you my number, that's okay.
So what time can I call you later?
You can call me anytime.
You sure?
Yeah,
Okay, make sure. I will give you a call.
just call me.
Okay.
Okay.
네 곁에 내가 힘이 돼줄게 작은 해 보게도 웃을 수 있게
Yo, Operation Bingo, you know. Hotspot Connect up. So me I come check you and you see it. Alright, bro.
Nothing to discuss more. I get the remedy for this stress, yeah. Double cups and shy. See this night I choose to forget my trouble. I know everybody got things on their mind now. But this time can make it forget though. I get the shy, you get the jingle. If you got my, make me link up. Me I come for patio, me I come for patio. All night I dey sip, I dey smoke, I dey drink or something. See this line in my phone is on silence, I don't wanna hear nothing. Nothing, neither. Got this night, just to forget my trouble for life.
Hello, my sweet princess.
Hi, sweetheart. How are you doing, honey?
I'm fine. Just give me the direction to your house because I'm coming now.
Oh, you're coming. You're
Yeah.
on your way already?
Oh my, yes, sweetie.
Okay, all right. I'm living over by the scheme on Sugar. Remember when I told you the other day that I'm on the scheme at the apartment? It have orange at the front.
Oh, so I think I am close, honey. So I'm gonna reach there, I think, by the next 5 minutes, okay?
Okay. Can't
Okay.
wait to see you.
Okay, you're my sweetie, you're my sweetheart. I love you so much. Okay, bye.
Yeah.
Yo, Lando.
Yo, still.
No, say I woman them go link you now.
When today?
Yeah, man, about in the next 5 minutes, me I reach our foot.
Alright, then. But you're more I don't feel more. You get any little information from her. If you can get her bank card number, if you can get her ID. What identity more you collect for me? Everything, bird paper, any little thing. Alright. Yeah, man, I feel you. Remember, say I feel with that, man. Do you think?
Cool, bro. That's a 40, man. Me, I'll do you right.
Yeah, man. I must enough to do your thing because I feel part of job. So,
Alright.
just match up that thing.
Alright.
Alright, we connect.
Alright, bro.
Again. Yo, Ziggy. Sending them the information them can give me so I can start the transaction and all. Yeah, man, shut it to my phone right away. Mad.
Hi.
Oh,
You can come inside.
you don't have any dog?
No.
Wow. Nice, beautiful place.
Nice meeting you again.
Oh.
You can come inside. And I want you to sit right here. You want something to drink?
Oh, yeah.
All right, just give me 2 minutes.
Wow. Like rich, man. Team a building, yeah. Moms have.
Here we go.
Oh, wow.
You want me to open it for you? All right.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Wow.
So what's going on? You finally find your way, eh?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I could let you go inside, but we have neighborhood watch here. These people in the community, they watch each other very hard.
Oh, really?
Yes, and I don't want them to know my business. I really do like you, but I want this to be personal between me and you alone. You understand? Like, as I said before, I do not like people to know my business. Remember, I told you before that I have my man in Bahamas. You understand? And he have a lot of friends and family in this area. You understand me?
Oh, really?
Yes, in this vicinity area, you have a
Wow.
lot of family.
You look so beautiful.
Thank you.
From the first time I met you, my heart keep melting.
Oh
I
my
can't
God.
sleep. The day I met you, I cannot sleep.
You just let me like have some shivering stuff going through my body like current right now. Oh my God, I can't believe this. I thought I was just thinking about you alone, but you're thinking about me just the same. I feel the same.
Wow.
Just the same too. Yes, I feel the same way. Anyway, I would love to really take you inside. but I just can't right now. I want we to both keep this thing on a low profile, you know? Yeah, for now, until I sort out some stuff.
Oh, that would be great if I get inside, you know? That would be
I can
wonderful.
see that you really want to go inside, but don't worry, that day will come. Just let me know you a little bit more. You understand?
Can I even glimpse?
You can, of course. Why not?
Wow! Amazing!
Thank you.
Wow! Your place is so beautiful.
Thank you.
I love it. So, what type of work your husband do?
Oh, you know, he's a contractor in the Bahamas. He built a lot of houses.
Wow.
Yeah, a lot of house. He's well known in Bahamas. People from America, Canada, and so always get in touch with him to come to their country to build house.
So, do you work?
Well, at this moment, I'm not working, but I used to.
Oh, I
He
see.
doesn't want me to work because I'm well taken care of. He's the one who's taking care of me.
I see. I'm gonna make a phone call. Just give me a sec, okay?
Okay.
Can I go around there?
Yes,
Okay.
feel free.
Wow.
You okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
Get through with the phone call?
No, I didn't get to him.
That was quick. Okay, I see.
I tried about 2 times and it didn't ring.
I don't have anything against that name, but I don't feel comfortable calling you Stu. I'm gonna call you Andrew, okay?
Okay, no problem. You could call me Andrew, but my friends call me Stu.
Not a problem at all.
My friends used to me by the name of Stu more than Andrew.
Okay. I'm glad that I met you the other day. You seems like a nice person. You look really cool. Yeah, and I really like you.
Well, to be honest, I don't think I like you because how I feel about you, I love you already.
Like seriously?
Yes.
So fast?
I really, really and truly love you. The first time I met you, I told you my heart was melting for you. Now I'm gonna tell you again. I really and truly love you.
Okay. You really, really love me so fast?
Yes, I love you. I swear I love you. I really, really love you.
That one was quick.
So you don't believe in love at first sight?
Kind of, yeah, but not really. I think we need to know each other more and get to understand each other. What do you think?
I'm gonna work with what you say. I'm gonna work with it. But don't make it be too long.
No, it won't. I'll think about it. I'll let you know what I am thinking.
Hope next time you see me for sure, it will be a good story.
Okay. Oh, come to think about it. You did not tell me what type of work you do. What type of work you do?
Oh, you know I'm a data entry technician though.
Oh, okay. That sounds interesting.
Very interested.
Okay.
Well, you know I'm gonna have to keep moving because I have some work to deal with, to take care of. So, one of these days I need to take you to the river. Chill and have a nice time. So I'm gonna call you and talk about that later on.
Okay. All right.
Okay, so nice And nice,
First, you saying that.
nice
All right.
coming over.
All right.
Okay,
Just
bye.
give me a call.
Okay.
Okay.
Hey, Kelly.
Hey, you left something?
No, do you have any extra 2,000 on you? Because I don't have my card on me and I don't bother to go to the ATM machine.
Okay, sure. I'm gonna get it for you.
Okay.
네 곁에 내가 힘이 돼줄게 작은 해 보게도 웃을 수 있게
Who is this calling me? Oh, babe. What's up? You alright? I know, I miss your call. Sorry about that. How are you doing? Sounds great. Oh, okay, yeah. You can send it to Western Union. Yeah, Western Union. Yes, as always. You can send it and make sure you send as much because I only have a little change in my purse to go to the supermarket and I need to make some grocery. Yeah. Okay. Love you too, honey. I miss you. When are you coming home? That sounds kind of too long. I miss you too. Love you. Okay. Bye. Have a nice day. Mwah.
언제나 네 곁에 있을 거야 I love you I love you 차마 하지 못했던 말 I love you I love you 내 맘속에 바다는 너 하나뿐인 너야 I love you I love you I love you
Hello?
Sweetie,
Hi.
meet me at the crossroad. I'm at the crossroad.
Okay.
Out by 30 yard.
Okay, I was just about to come outside, so I'm on my way.
Okay, I'm waiting.
All right. Ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. No. Sorry. Remember I told you. No touching.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah. Oh, here we go. Water looking nice and fresh.
Fresh.
Oh my God.
Wow. So clean.
Yeah. Nice and cool. Can't wait to go down there.
Me too. Take your time.
Okay. No touching, no touching. I'm fine. Thank you. Wow. This is so beautiful. Where are you going to sit down?
Right.
There? Okay.
Take your time.
Okay.
Wow.
Oh, it's so nice and cool.
You love it?
Yes, I do. Aw. I would love to come back at this place. What do you call this place again?
It's called Rolling River.
Roaring River? Oh, wow.
Oh yeah, baby. Okay, you know how I go. Hey, yeah, yeah. Okay, you know how I go, and I'm always on my own. And you running through my mind, and the weather's getting cold. And my homies getting cuffed, and I'm stuck here all alone. And I'm scrolling through the gram, and you pop up in my phone. Yeah, you know I'ma hit you on a late slide. We don't gotta waste no. That house is creeping, this could be a secret. Yeah. Girl, I like to keep things simple. Come through when you find what you went for. I remember you, girl, you're my nympho. Don't tell me that changed, have you screaming my name really all night, baby. Never too late for an all night, baby. We can set a fire for the morning, baby. We do it right now, I need it right now, yeah. Get you on your back, I know you love to. Even for the night, oh girl, I want you. Hundreds in my phone, but girl, I caught you. Girl, I know it's late, babe. Okay, you know how I go, and I'm always on my own.
Oh, you don't afraid of people seeing me and you?
That's the reason why I told you that no touching and certain talking, we're not going to do it in the public. So let's go inside.
Okay. So you inviting me in now?
Yes. Remember, we know each other now. And I'm feeling more comfortable with you. So no problem, you can go inside. Come on, let's go.
Wow, your place is so beautiful. I remember I saw it when I crept inside the other day.
I know.
Wow.
You finally reach inside.
Oh, I've been
You
waiting.
can have a seat.
Oh, really?
Right here. Yeah. You can come over here, you know. We need to sit much closer. Okay, thank you. Oh, tired man. I wish I could stay in the water a little bit longer, but I have to come home because I have something else to sort out, you know?
So you're not gonna close the door?
No, that's okay. The place is so hot. Let me give you a hug. Today was so fun. I enjoyed myself. You know what? I'm gonna go to the restroom. Just give me a few minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh my God. I'm so excited.
Wow.
I'm so excited. It's been a while.
Same.
It's years I haven't enjoyed myself like this. I
Oh,
swear.
really?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I think I could do this again another time. You didn't enjoy yourself?
Of course. It was amazing.
Okay, so
Wonderful.
I think I feel a little bit too hot. So would you like another drink?
No, I had a lot already.
You know what? You're so handsome. I know I told you this many times, but I have to tell you again. You're very handsome. And you have a good heart.
Oh my, thank you so much. Hold on, just a few. Phone
That's
is ringing.
okay.
How are you with Lando?
What about you?
There, man, everything good?
You're still beside that woman.
Oh, continue. What were you saying now?
Who was that?
Oh, it's one of my friends keep calling me, checking up on me. I told him that I was on the road with my wife.
Okay. All right. Oh my God. So it was a nice day. I enjoyed it as I told you before, and I would love for you to do this again. When can you make another trip to go to the river or somewhere else? It doesn't have to be like exactly the river, but it is a nice thing going out with you.
So today is when?
Thursday.
Thursday. Probably we could go by Sunday
You sure?
or Saturday.
Are you going to be available for that day?
Of course, sure.
Okay, no problem. All right. Guess what? What are you thinking?
What are you thinking about?
I'm going to close the door.
Okay.
Oh.
Where are you taking me?
Nothing to discuss more. I get the remedy for this stress, yeah. Double cups and shy. See this night I choose to forget my trouble. I know everybody got things on their mind now, but this time can make it forget down. I get the shy, you get the jingle. If you got my, I make me link up. Me I come for patio, me I come for patio. Oh, like that is it, but this smoke I don't got something. This night in my phone is on silence.
Oh my God. That was so good. I enjoyed myself.
I enjoy myself too, you know? But that's why from the first time I met you, I told you I love you. That's the only way we could get to connect.
I prove it now. Believe in love at the first sight. Because our love is so strong. Definitely connect. I'm feeling it for you.
Anyways, honey, I got to go because the same guy that called me, you want me to be with something fine, so I have to go. So, do you have any extras that you can give to me?
Oh yes, no problem. Hmm. I thought I had some money inside my purse, but it's not in there. I think I misplaced it somewhere. But don't worry, I'm gonna go inside. I have some more money inside my room. I can give you some.
Okay, I want to.
Yeah. Here you go. This is 200 US. You can have it.
Wow.
Yeah.
Honey, you sure you want to give me so much money?
That's nothing. If I didn't misplace some money, I could give you even more.
Wow. I really enjoy it.
Anything you want, just call me. I'm here for you.
Let's go.
Yeah.
So, bye. I'm gonna call you. So
Okay, be safe.
Okay.
Make sure you call me when you reach home.
Okay, honey.
Bye. Make sure you call me when you
Okay,
reach.
honey. Bye.
All right. Bye.
Seven rainy days have now passed by. I'm alone without you by my side. You let me down, I can't chase you no more. You take away my pride, we're over. Friends have been chatting about we. They know everything, can't help what they see. They can see the shame you left on me. I'm in a state of misery. No more sitting waiting by the phone.
What am I doing? Kelly, what are you doing? Kelly.
Alright.
Hi, babe.
Dave, so go on.
I need you to send me about 20,000.
20 more thousand again. Alright, I'm going to rest down and I'll send it off. Because some more at me depend on you give me a time to change out my shirt and stuff.
I know, but the money that you gave me, I use it to pay my partner, and I did get some stuff for the house. But I ran out of some stuff. I need some more groceries. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Oh, you're not gonna give me 20, you're gonna give me 25. Okay, thank you. I love you. Okay. Have a great day. Alright. Thanks. Bye.
Alright.
Sitting waiting by the phone, wondering if you'll ever come home. Leaving me out in the cold, you left me all alone. Putting out my heart for you.
Ropes! Connect.
Dad!
Man look so happy. All gone.
Yeah, we must look happy. You don't know my thing come done.
I know if your thing come down, you know, man. That's why I choose for you work, you know. I say I'm sharp boy, you know.
Bingo boy, queer. Look here, boy. Look here, boy. Hey, money. I be a money. We rich.
What you mean, man?
No, sorry. Me rich.
What you mean by you rich?
No, we rich. Me rich.
What you talk about? Remember say me and the mastermind bear all of this, you know. Don't feel me cheese, you know.
That's how we are going to bust, man.
You see me?
This belongs to all mastermind.
Yeah. How are you there, man?
You don't see me 2 foot them.
Put something more on this, you know, you put something more on it, you know.
But so, my thing bigger, you know. Just show me how bring it, you know.
Show me how squeeze off from there, you know. But give me something more, man. You know, so. Put something more on it, man.
No, you're easy, you know, dog, you know. What do you do, you know? Say I do, I rub you, try rub me.
Sometimes I have to rub your friend, you know.
That's what I'm funny, so true your friend, you know.
Me take this, because I can buy one box for later and do something.
Good with that.
Look up, boy, move fire.
No. I know your time soon come. You soon get big too.
And then look up, boy, out, you know. Kick him in a chair.
So what are you?
Yo, bro, I am a... Yo, this... We bingo, but... But then, anyway, still, you know, get the idea and a banking, inform.
No, me not get that tip, man, but you don't need to worry about that.
That good still, because she going want them for you, me I tell about the next groups, you know, you see me? We are go to the next level, you know, you understand? You see me, we are step up, you know. So you're more I do for me, you know. It's like how you have a heart and then look how you more pressure to grab a car, you see me? Like the last one, you understand? I make a next 2 million, you know. You see me? So you go to bounce man and make sure you buy one vehicle and we just bops and take with that and move with it, you see me? Do what you have to do and split up for you look at do.
Just like the last one.
You know, you have a thing then, no man, you understand me?
It's a code, man.
You understand? But do what you have to do, you see me? Just remember, say we have just pressure, you understand? Make sure you know how things set.
Alright.
Yeah, dog.
Oops.
Connect.
Sharp boy.
Nothing to discuss more. I get the remedy for this stress, yeah. Double cups and shire. See this night I choose to forget my trouble. I know everybody got things on their mind now, but this time can make it forget though. I get the shy, you get the jingle. If you got my, I make me link up. Me I come for party, me I come for party. All night I sip, but they smoke, I drink or something. See this line in my phone is on silence, I don't wanna hear nothing. Nothing, either. But this night I choose to forget my trouble for life. I know everybody got things on their mind now, but this time can make it forget that. I get the shy, you get the jingle. If you got my, I make me link up. Me I come for party, me I come for party.
Girl, I waited from man. You tell me say I come in the wait for you all now you can't reach. How?
I tell you say me I come. You just a call me so. How happen? Eh? How could that really happen? Me can't stop and look over fountain again and cool down. Yeah, me they come now. I remember say me have some heated things to talk to you about. So me no must have come, girl. Girl, bye. Me they come now.
Make me they feel okay. Make me not go that way now. Say we gon' feel amazing. Say we gon' feel okay. Everybody got things on their mind now, but this time can make it forget that. I get the shy, you get the jingle. If you got my, I make me link up. Me I come for party, me I come for party.
Ah, God, best you can clean up in front part of yard. Kelly! Bestie! Oh, sir. Why? Me and the gator ever they fight. Kelly! Kelly!
Hello?
Girl, just lock up so in that place. Me there, man. What?
A long time I not see you.
Long time I not see you.
You can come inside.
Then I must.
Come give me a hug, get you out of there.
My bad. Then,
You alright?
alright. So far.
So which breeze blow you yes or no? I want warm.
Huh? My friend. How long we are friend now for?
Long time.
Long time. When I come close to you, I don't really want nobody to hear. This is a little business, yeah. Not matter of fact, this is a big business, yeah. Kelly. Kelly. How much time I calling you?
About 2.
How make it so wicked? Imagine, Johnny overseas, I do landscaping. You know how landscaping hard? Eh? A man in a sun hot. I work and I chop people bush at them they sitting there. And I just 5 cent money for take care of you. I have taking money of mine, man.
Which man? What you talking about?
Kelly.
Janet. Which man you talking about?
Me I talk about stew.
Stew. What you talking about? Wait. You choke me. What kind of stew you talk about?
Me I choke you?
Like stew chicken or whatever. What you talk about?
Stew chicken.
Me no know what you talk about.
Eh? You know me I talk about?
No, what are you talking
You know me I talk about? The young boy where you pick up. He name Andrew, but they call him Stew.
Oh, Andrew you talk?
Yes.
Okay.
Andrew Stew.
No, he no name Andrew Stew. Stew I just saying street name, but Stew me no really call him, so me no really remember say so them call him. Me know him as Andrew. Someone you address him as Andrew. What is for now? What you talk about me take money from my man from Bahamas and then taking my young boy? But you're not easy. Why you think would I do something like that?
Listen. I know me say so. A people on the street so not together and a chat no business. And me ear back. And me I can't tell her now.
So how my business be somebody else's business? So me never know say if a woman walk with a man, that mean them they together. So you can't walk with nobody again.
No, you never know that.
You can't talk to nobody again. Everybody where you talk to. If one woman go chat to one man, the woman and the man there. Seriously? Oh no know what people are talking about, and you personally, Janet, as my friend, really hear something like this. You know, can't ask me for true. You assume and judge me wrongfully. So
no, Kelly, guess what? You know sometimes we women keep secret. So not everything we are going to tell we friend. You understand? So when me hear that, me have to come ask her because Johnny can't work off film backside overseas. If take care of you. More while in the go Western Union, we send money come more while instead of bank.
Cut that kind of argument there. How you know said Johnny I send certain amount of money come give me and every time he send me, but you're not easy.
Stick up in right, that's a stick up in girl. Remember say, you always tell me say, Johnny I go to Western Union and send money come give you. You forgot?
Yeah, friend, me not forgot. Yes, me tell you a couple times, but not every time. It look like he must send money come give you too.
I would have never take it. Me can't take my friend, man. I'd never take it. But in a real life, you know, Kelly. In a real life, you see, if you mind young man and them a time, yeah, you must know. You must know. Me a friend, but you must know because Johnny a good man, and as a real friend, me I tell her say you know supposed to do them things. They. Hey, me not go say me believe, and me not go say me not believe, but. This a part of brain I tell me say you do it, and the next part tell me say you not do it. So me don't know what you think you know. But anyways, Kelly.
Yes.
Me and your friend. For whole heap of years now, not true?
Mm-hmm.
Even though I'm younger than you. So you don't have to babble short the part to me. But we are friends. And you know we always keep each other's secret. So Kelly, tell me truth. Tell me truth. We got love. You have feelings with the youth there?
Alright, sir. You know easy, you know? You know easy, man. I really want to talk about that right now, you know? Just sit down for that. I don't want to talk about that right now.
Silence is the key. You see it? You see over there? You know easy, you know?
But he's a very nice young man, you know? I know nothing personal. Nobody think like that. I would never take Johnny money and give to him. You crazy? I just some talking like joke and something and I mean I know nothing like intimate. Just social talking. You understand what I say? You ain't even know nothing, man. You're crazy, man.
Kelly, just talk it truth for God love. Cause me know the youth there now. Me know him good. I want him to go to there now. Be careful of the youth there. Me personal know them the set of youth there. You know where the youth they come from? Eh? Over Crocodile City over so you know what they so? Eh? You know what they? When you are a young boy, you don't know over Crocodile City.
Me tell you something, you see how far you're gone? You better stop it from right here. So before my name spread till you reach a Bahamas where Johnny dead, don't do it.
Kelly, for the last time, I got to tell you, be careful of the youth there. Alright, you know what? I got to take my leave, I know. I got to take my leave. What I can't say, my name want you.
Go along where I go. Some of you too bad mind. You just too. Yet me not even know if you say. You full of too much envy and too much jealousy in you. If me did know, me not tell us so much of my business, man. You say, wouldn't come and so with the little talking. No man shop I use your head for me. Leave me alone. I must say, I like you like half a boy too. You can't tell me about me there with boy. You can't tell me if you talk to. Sure.
Hello,
Hello?
hello, babe. What's up?
I'm here. You good?
Yeah, you know that I'm calling to tell you about. Remember, babe, we are getting closer and closer, and we don't like. I don't like no one to see us together and call your husband in Barmash and tell him that we're together, because
Okay.
because babe, I really love you and I don't want anything to happen to you. So, the best way I think it could work out for us to keep this relationship private is for you to buy a car. It doesn't have to be expensive.
Hmm. Um, I think that's a great idea. Where could we get that car?
Oh, I think I know somewhere up the road. We could get a cheap car value about 2 million, I think. I doesn't sure, but I could go and check for you, or the two of us could go and check.
Okay, no problem.
So when you think you could buy the car?
Mm, maybe Monday or so.
Monday. So Monday I'm gonna come and check for you.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, bye. Love
All
you.
right, bye. Okay.
Hey, my handsome husband, how are you? Babe, there are so many things going on in the community. Yeah. Remember the other day I told you that they kidnapped two women? Yes, and I'm so scared when I'm walking. I am so scared. I think I need a car. The both of us need a car because when you come back, the both of us is going to drive the car. Yeah. How much? I think it's about 2 million or 2 point something, something like that. 2 million, I think. I really do need it. I'm tired of walking and the sun is so hot. I'm going to take it from your account, okay? And get the car. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. I love you. I love you, sweetheart. I love you so much. Thank you. I'm grateful to have a husband just like you. Mwah. Okay, I will. All right, bye. Hi, Andrew. I think we can get the car on Monday. Yeah. Yeah, I'm serious. Monday. But one thing, I told my husband that when he come back to Jamaica, he can have the car to drive also. Me. The both of us is going to drive it together. Yeah, so I'm not going to give you the car to drive. I'm going to drive it myself when we are going out together, okay? Okay, cool. All right. Bye. Okay.
Oh yeah, baby. Okay, you know how I go. Hey, yeah, yeah. Okay, you know how I go, and I'm always on my own. And you running through my mind, and the weather's getting cold. And my homies getting cuffed, and I'm stuck here all alone. And I'm scrolling through the gram, and you pop up in my phone. Yeah, you
Oh, what going, man?
Someone I'm gonna
hit
tell
you with a
about.
leg slide, we don't
I'm
gotta
gonna
wait
sell the
slow.
car.
Down 6 paper,
How do
this
you
could
that
be
no
a
bossy?
secret.
What you doing?
Hi.
Girl, I like
Bless
to
him, love.
keep things simple.
That's it. Him will buy a car from
Yeah, man.
me.
So, this is it, you know?
So, him will carry go tax office, sign out the car, and transfer money wire to him.
Okay.
Oh, so you're the one that buying the car?
Yes.
Okay. Alright. So, let's head to where to first? Alright. Let's head to the bank first.
Yeah.
Then we'll head to the tax office, right?
Alright.
Alright. Yeah, boss.
I'm always on my own. You running through my mind, I know where this getting cold. My homies getting coughed, and I'm stuck here all alone. Yeah, I'm scrolling through the gram, and you pop up on my phone. Yeah, you know.
Alright.
I'ma hit you on the leg slide, we don't gotta waste no. They won't say it's creeping, this could be a secret, you know. I'ma hit you on the leg slide, we don't gotta waste no. You know I go, and I'm always on my own. You running through my mind, and the weather's getting cold. My homies getting coughed, and I'm stuck here all alone. Yeah, I'm scrolling through the gram, and you pop up on my phone. Yeah, you know. I'ma hit you on the leg slide, we don't gotta waste no. They won't say it's creeping, this could be a secret, yeah.
Where that girl today? Girl, come here. Me have a surprise for you. Me dey out of your gate. Yeah, come. Hurry up and come. Me wait for you. Alright.
What? Kelly, no sir. Where did I play car?
Girl.
Eh? I'll get a car.
Girl, it's my car, honey.
Ooh.
So get a grip of yourself, man.
No sir. Me happy for my friend. Me come in the front seat.
You want to drive out? You want to feel how for you?
What? Ooh.
How we go drive out?
Yes, Gally.
Is this the place that you were talking about, that you want us to hang out?
Yes, man. Very nice place right here.
Yes, it does. It is very nice, but this is a public place. We can't stay here. We have to find somewhere else. Remember, I told you about my lifestyle already.
Okay, babe, we can go somewhere else.
Okay, let's go. Okay, you can get something for us to drink.
Okay.
So how do you know this place?
Oh, this is where me and my brethren used to come and play cricket. We used to play scrimmage. No one is over here now, so I think this is a safe place for us. Could you pass my drink for me, please?
Here you go.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
So you're not winding up the window?
Okay.
Like I say, this is where me and my friends and my brothers come to play when we're younger.
Okay.
Over there we have the cricket pitch, and this tree now, this tree is like 2,000 years old.
Really?
Yep.
I don't think so. This tree could never be 2,000 years old. No way.
Well, believe it or not, it is. So let's go.
Okay.
내가 힘이 돼줄게. 작은 해 보게도 웃을 수 있게.
You laughing at me?
No.
People has to pay millions of dollars to watch me flick, and you getting it for free?
Oh, please. Let's go.
Let's go.
Here you go.
Yeah, I enjoy going out with you today, babe.
I enjoy myself too.
Slow down in front of me, babe.
What are you gonna do?
My grandmother gave me a piece of land. I'm gonna go and look at it.
Okay.
So you could stop right here. Honey, just walk one right there. I'm gonna make a call, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I'll still come. Yo, bad boy, up on location. Alright, just watch. We have a walk with us, so just do your thing. Key night. Ah.
Some water.
Me too. I'm very thirsty. Babes, it gone.
Oh my God, but it was right here.
So, who move it?
How would I know? The both of us went down there to see the piece of land. Oh my God, I can't believe this is happening to me now. What my husband is going to say? He's going to kill me. Oh my God.
Hush, babe.
Oh God, I can't believe.
Hush, babe.
God, I can't believe this thing is happening to me right now.
Let's see if I could buy you another one. Hush.
Oh my God, I can't believe this thing is happening to me.
Hush, babe. I'm gonna buy you another one.
What am I gonna do now? What am I gonna tell my husband? The car is missing just like that? Oh my God. Let's go to the station.
Babe, don't get police involved in this, babe, because it will get worse. I'm in the street. I will check it out for you. One day I have to find it. Don't worry. Come on.
Oh God. This thing is so sad. Oh. Oh.
Oof. I'll show it to Bridget.
Alright, yeah man. Yeah man, the mission complete man. So I'm gonna start scrap here now, yeah? Alright. Yeah man, yeah man. Yeah, tell Juba say him to forward now, because we'll start scrap it there now. Alright.
Yo. Yeah, me left this one on a shell yard, you know. Yeah man, the key and everything, just come pick up here and carry go down and scrap yard. Alright, no set up now. Ah. Oh.
Girl, it go down, don't my temper. Come back to my temper. Girl, it go down, don't my temper, Come back to my temper. Girl, it down, 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 girl, it down.
Yo bro. Go. This is one ask you this year. This one I can go for 2.5, you know. Nice too, you know, boy. Everything, you see me?
You know, so Shani did same for link him though.
Oh yeah, links and things.
Yeah, bro, but you never did give him one piece of food to bad man. Yeah, Musa.
Yo, sorry bro, you know it's bro.
If you tell me sorry bad man, a girl.
Your t-shirt. I'm pumping for busy. See if you're good work. Pick up yourself, isn't it?
Yeah, come bad man, I give bad man 5 bills, dog.
Actually, man, you know anything come down already. So, bro, how you find this together?
You allow me, I'm a professional, no brother. Top question, I'm a professional, bro.
Alright, boss, I do your thing, now, yeah, do your thing. Isn't it? So, how time are going? That a girl.
Boy, any moment now.
Yeah. Just do what you have to do, isn't it? Because I have to go drop off this and I just pick up something in this and then can just go drop you off.
Right, now so far to ropes.
Connect.
Baby girl, it's amazing. You they give me life. Give me more than what you bargain for, my darling. Girl, you come and cool my temper. Got your body so hot, baby girl, it's a man down. Come can't cool it down. Got your body so hot, baby girl, it's a man down. Girl, it go down, girl, it down, girl, it down. Don't mind temper, girl, it down, girl, it down. Girl, it down, girl, it down. Come back on my temper, girl, it down, girl, it down. Girl, it go down, girl, it down, girl, it down. Don't mind temper, girl, it down, girl, it down. Girl, it down, girl, it down. Come back on my temper, girl, it down, girl, it down. Girl, it down, girl, it down.
Catching a man cheers to his success, you know, I get richer and richer every day, you know. Isn't it? Bro, man. So I get richer and richer every day. Right now, uptown, if you go left country, if you look up people, you see me, and buy 2 of them big girl shand up on the hillside, you see me?
Yeah. How you mean, man? That not go happen, you know, things say that go happen. Master Erica put in, you know. So anything possible.
Yeah, we have to start live a rich life, you see me, have some girl on the balcony and go and dance, 2 bad girl out there, so you see me, in the pool, and you see me come out in a way. You know them look over here, you understand?
Yeah, man.
Right now, I pray for get to a day. I don't know if we can get You know, make sure we keep the money on the floor. You get 2 vehicles on the road, see, because you know we can't too lower our standard, isn't
Make
it?
you think of shaky, man.
Yes, no, it's not about shaky, but you have to have backup plan. Myself, we don't know what going on in there, you see me? We just put 2 vehicles on the road, man.
The time right, man, bro. You want one link, man, the same way, man.
Alright, then.
Ropes.
Tonic. So I go and feel like old lady upon the scheme.
Sure. I'm done with her. Remember, so we get everything we want, no dog. So, the next move is to try to get our next client.
Well, that is the greatest thing. You tell her, say, you don't forget no police involved and them come here, right?
Yeah, man, me don't convince her. We don't get no police involved. I know, say, I want to go link her though. Because I want to say I can get one $3 US in my clothes.
And then you just let me get my share, you know. I know my thing.
You know, I not left you out. Maybe I left you out and I don't know what I do.
Not really, you know, because I'm here the mastermind, so you can't really left me out. You have to inner every look thing, you see me? But you know, do you do best, you know.
That I'm not rate with you now, you know. I always want to come own up things, you know.
I know one.
You know, say, hey baby, what's up? Oh, you know I'm on your scheme now, coming to look for you. Are you at home? Okay, it's been a while since I haven't seen you. Even though your car has been stolen. Me and my friend was having a drink a while ago and he even asked me for you because he know that I love you. Oh yeah. So I'm on your scheme now, so I will be there in probably about 2 minutes. Okay, baby, I'm coming.
Yeah. Reach back in Jamaica, man. Ah. How far yard me I go? Because mom don't know, so me forward in yet, you know. Yeah, man.
Yubs. What's up?
Nothing much.
Dave, that's how the place look. Cause long time I'm coming on. You know, so I come get a little link to a babe car. Realize if any car get thief, I circle back. And I know that kind of stress you out, but I did say I have to come look for you today. Nothing couldn't stop you.
It does. It really stressed me out. It really stressing me. It stressed me so till me can't take no more stress. And the worst thing about it, my husband upset real bad. Him not like what I want. And if I did me, I the husband and him my wife, would I feel the same way, so I understand.
True, man. Anybody would feel that way that your husband feel. Cause I know boy if you buy one car and they don't even have it for too long on them teeth, you know. Kind of feel if you still, but I don't know what you would do.
Well, remember we spoke about this before and you told me not to report it to the police. And I did not report it. But I think I should.
Well, I tried my best and it didn't work out. So the best I could tell you is to go ahead and try.
You want me to report it to the police now?
Yes, go ahead and try.
Are you sure about that?
Yes, babe.
Okay, so I'm gonna report it to the police and maybe they can find the person who stole it. Because I don't think I can look anymore.
I hope so.
They must get some information and some leads towards it or something whenever I talk to them about it. I'm just gonna tell them the license plate and whatever about it. So they get the full details. Then I think they know what to do.
I think you should go by the station tomorrow to see if you could report it. But the thing is don't let them get too much information about it. Because if you let them get too much information about it, they will not do their work. So you have to let them do it after their own.
Okay, I understand what you're saying to me. What you mean when you say that I must not give the police all the information? If I don't give them all the information about the vehicle, it's a stolen vehicle, you know. And remember, my husband is, oh God, he's pissed off. Right now he's mad.
Well, for example, don't let them know that it was me and you traveling.
Huh?
Don't let them know that it was me and you traveling when the vehicle was stolen.
What do you mean when you say that I must not tell the police that the both of us was traveling together? Oh, smart idea. It's my husband.
Right, babes, you get it. See it? You get it now. I don't want them to know that it was me and you traveling because of your husband.
Okay, I understand. No problem. I'll do so.
Right, so you don't ever do that because I don't want anything to happen to you. You know what? Let I give you a hug because from I come I don't hug you.
No, that's okay. That's okay. I'm not in the mood right now. I just need to get by the car.
Babe, look like you're really stressed.
I do.
Honey,
Who is it?
babes, one and only. Good luck, you know.
I'm coming. Hi, honey. What a surprise.
Never expected me to follow, no?
No, you didn't tell me.
Oh,
Unexpected. Come on, come inside. Give me your bag. Ah.
So, place, all things are going.
Same old, same old.
Yeah. But you buy the city them when myself to buy, man. I want
Yeah.
them for 100%. So you move so daddy.
Me just surprised to see how you just come unexpected. You never tell me say you come.
So you want the real man to see I come home and call you and tell you, home,
You don't
well
have
want
to.
come.
Listen, babe, you don't have to, but you could have.
Oh, you don't want a surprise.
But you could have given me a heart attack.
Heart attack for? You frightened?
Suppose me did feel.
One hug you give me. Look how long you don't see me. Oh, okay. Oh. So me I say now, oh you never report the car or something. That me really coming up. Oh you never report it. I gotta report it now still, you know.
Hang on, babe.
I whole heap of money me spending on my 2 million for car alone plus for license and insurance, you know. You can't make my 2 million go. Yo, right now, them boy there I forgot pay. I tell you. Them boy there will take me car, I forgot pay. Someone know how you know report it, that means the police them can know say yo, we can't miss it.
Me did I go report it, but
You did I go report it.
me never make up my mind. Me never ready. Me not know what happened, but me just never report it.
No man, somebody thief something for you, you have to call and report it. Cause them said nobody no thief nothing. So where did they when them thief you car?
I wanted to go to the restroom, but I wasn't at home. I was on the street, so I went to a nearby bush to have a pee.
And left the key in the car?
And I leave the key inside the car, and when I came back, the car was not there. It missing.
So you don't know better than that, say you can't left key in the car and go from inside that car. Not even bike man do that, so how you are going to do that with a car? You don't know who I watch you. Yo, me not left it say no. Right now, two day it have to report. Two day. Come I want back my car, you know. You know, hard me have to work about for my money. And them boy at Jamaica sit down and don't want the money. Some of them boy, I want my car, I'm going to go on terrible.
Just calm down. I think I need to get some cool down. Let's go inside.
Turn on the AC, I come.
Babe, let's go inside. Come on.
Yeah, man.
Don't come no closer, you know, what you do?
What you doing at my place, you?
I mean, what you doing at your place? Hey, boy, you hear me say you come closer.
We are called boy, man. And I'm a place there, you know. Yo, Kelly, how this? Just call the ambulance,
Baby.
Kelly, call the ambulance. Call the ambulance now.
Yo, Orlando. You know, I want to meet me up the road yesterday, dog. Yeah, something go down there. I'm reaching at something. Where the up at your yard? Alright, me are forward. Calm down, no chat. How you can answer, dog?
Yo.
Wagwan.
You don't know Wagwan?
You don't know what if you tell me Wagwan? Oh, me I know Wagwan if you don't tell me Wagwan, Chadi. Someone here, Wagwan.
Yo. You woman, man, no forward.
So what you have to do? Run out of the house? I catch in the house? Boy, you're not easy, you know.
No, brother. A serious thing than that happens.
So Wagwan.
Brother, I have to shut you, man, brother.
A joke can't make. A prank you try prank me?
Bro, I don't know, prank, bro. I have to squeeze one on him, bro. You ever see me a run with my shoes in my hand, put fun and joke aside?
Yo, Judge, so we have to go there now, youth. He not dead.
Boy, me don't know, you know. Because from I shot him, I run out of the house. I know me run till me run out of breath. I'm tired right now. Not a good look. What we are going to do?
So you never know said the woman man a forward charge?
Boy, she ain't know either, you know. Brother,
You know,
right now, me
you're
feel like...
professional on them thing and so I don't know how you make something like this go off, you know.
Brother, right now, I don't feel like... I feel like you're turn up right now, brother. I don't feel like your road front safe for me. God, no.
Yo, I don't want you really worry yourself still. We are going to fix this. You see me, we are get down to this. You see me, I try to put back things together. Never expect things to go on like this. So you go over the machine.
Bro, it come like I'll know you not listen to what me I say, bro.
No, me I listen to what you say, no, but you just shocking to say, yo, you go check it and you go over the machine.
Yo, bro, wake up now, brother.
Alright, yeah, I wake up still. You see me, because I'm not there sleep, but I do say. But here me I say to you now. We are going to fix things, you understand? I just want you to lay low for now. I just want you to ease up off fire, you see me? When we deal with it. You see me, I'm a bro for a longer time. I not left you alone on this, you see me? So just ease up off fire road and lay low for you a while. When things cool down, we link you. You see me?
Brother, right now. We link, brother, because you have to
me
not
just watch
for
me,
me.
man.
Just shout me if anything.
Yeah,
just
man, we link you.
Keep me updated.
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
Girl, it cool down, don't my temper. Come and cool my temper. Girl, it cool down, don't my temper.
You know, so when I play, man, we have some good youths I work with, some really youths I work with, man. You see it? Hey, hold on. I get a call from one of my soldiers. Hold on there. Yo, bad boy, how you go? Talk to me, man.
What go on, bossy?
But there, man. Give me good news now. How you go?
Oh, I wish I could give you good news. I know so we have a little misunderstanding, though.
Misunderstanding. What go on? We don't even get through upon the mission there.
Yeah, man, but you are going on now. That the same mission that we are dealing with the man far down from foreign, you know.
Which one of them? I must have more than which one of them man for them from fire?
Remember the old foot there up on the scheme?
Oh, that are the one where we did, yeah, the ropes there.
Yeah.
What go on with that one there?
Our man far down from foreign and she miss soldier the day over there and they have to end up shot him, man.
What you said to me a while ago, you? What you said to me a while ago?
See me look soldier, man, one of me and him up on the mission, them in the over there with the old foot and the man must be forward in and him have to end up shot him, man. Him just not too long while ago tell me what they do and
Youth. Yo, the youth are talented in the youth. The youth are talented in the youth. I'm the one the youth that come forward on the team and come mash it up in the youth.
you must say, yo, we need to know say man forward down. So over there now and man forward down and things go down.
So him never know say man a forward. Yo, remember say man a top girl, say man fi question the woman better. And find out when the man a forward. I work him a do yes, but me say him fi do better, him no know better than that. Man, the man and a girl real long time better. Man fi question the woman and find out when the man a come and them something there better. Can I lose?
When the attack is like the woman not over there knows that the man a forward neither. Like a surprise thing they are going.
Oh. So yo, so your man dead?
Me not think so, you know.
Jeez, and Pete, that rest, brother. Cause man see him face out. Brother, yo. That rest, brother, yo.
Yeah, bossy.
Brother, you me I say?
Yeah, bossy.
Me I pray you one domino if you can, you know. This whole thing about for go down, you know, brother. Cause you see, when the man see film face,
Yeah.
the man go lock him up, you know.
I really want that go down still, you know.
I know, so when they lock him up, the whole away go down, bro. Cause them more question him, brother. So you me say, I know your soldier still and you bring him in, but you say you never come from far, you know, brother. But you have to go just, you have to do what you have to do, you know, brother.
That's no bossy.
I mean, brother, I tell you, say you have to do what you have to do, brother. Cause yo, brother, remember, you know, if police hold on upon that money, all have gone down in the father.
Bossy, but I try to remember say I'm female customer join up.
Yeah, man, but me I say, brother, but you so. I mean, I can't do that, but your soldier on a sense, brother. You see it, brother, better man the dust. So you need to shoot him, man, brother. Why man do? Draw machete after him or why man? Eh? Or the man a gun?
No, bossy, man, no gun.
So you don't know it's straight, bro. For the man no fire, you have to fire neither, bro. Tell you, man. For the man, go there now, the man even have straw, brother. You couldn't stay as a woman and run out of man place father and just know the ropes, you see it? Yo, brother, you have to go do what you have to do, brother.
Bossy, I try not to know you ask me for the right now.
Yeah, man, you're virgin, but you have to go dash him, man. I tell you the truth, because you can't afford to make. Yo, brother, remember some millions you are making a father. And if you don't want to do it, brother.
That's true still, you know.
I'm telling you, man, do what you have to do, brother. If you don't want to do it, you know, so you have to go deal with it, brother. See it?
I take care of it, man. I take care of it. You don't worry yourself.
Alright, do that.
Body on fire, yeah. Cool it down. Come make a tissue proper. Girl, I make you feel my love. First day, girl, you don't want no sex. Done talking, girl, you got no questions. Girl, it down, girl, it down. Girl, it down, girl, it down. Yeah, yeah. Girl, it down, girl, it down. Girl, it down, girl, it down. Girl, it go down, girl, it go down. Cool my temper, cool my temper. Come and cool my temper.
Hi, good day.
No, hi, good day, me. Don't hi, good day, me.
Where are you shouting? You can come inside now.
No, me not come inside. Don't tell me. You think me don't know what you do? You feel like say me don't know what you do?
You can come inside now.
You think me don't know say you have man down your pa me father take me father money mine man? Me father just come from foreign and you have money in your pan him. And you make man hurt him. You say nothing to me father. Watch what go happen. Make nothing to me father you will see. Make nothing to me father you will see.
Rachel, listen to me.
What happened? What happened?
Why are you shouting like that? What kind of disrespectful manner that you come to your stepmother into? Eh? I do not accept that kind of way. You understand me? But listen to me now. You're getting this thing wrong. You're totally wrong. You understand me? You do not know what happened.
How you mean say me don't know what go on? Eh? Me not have ears to hear. Me not have ears to hear. Alright, make nothing to me father you will see.
Rachel.
Make nothing to me father.
Rachel. He's not my man. He's a burglar. A burglar was in my house. I didn't even know that he was in my house. So you're assuming me and judging me wrongfully. You hear, but you did not see. You understand me?
Me no want hear nothing from you, you know. I hope you hear what me say. You are going in a big trouble, you. Make nothing to me father. Janet. What you say boy name again? Oh, Stew. Alright. Line up your address and send me, cause I go line up some hit man. You see a little woman over there, so all she, you don't know what me go do to her, man. Alright, don't send me address. Alright.
Yo, bad boy, I go.
I go and bash it.
I'm there, man. You know, so I'm there up on my block, so you must sort that.
No, sir, that me I come pay.
Yeah, take too long enough for that. Alright, come, yeah, forward, come check me now.
I saw confuse me.
Alright, forward that fuck, man. I'm the right, I say. I pray you walk like your old man, sir, brother. See how I deal it.
Yo, boy, you meet me up on Firebush. Yeah, man, right now, man. Yeah, man, I want to discuss something to you. Yeah. Alright.
Hey, bro.
Oh, man. Takes so long, man.
How do you use?
Yeah, no, but you know, I'm not really there in a place for a while, as me. I got support for a while, as me.
What do you mean by that, bro?
Yeah, no, man. I got jump out of a place for a little while, as me. Just want you to stay low, you see me? Just want you to stay up on the cool. I go one place, go ease out for a little bit. You understand? You don't have to worry about your thing, man. You don't take care of your thing. You see me? You're safe here now, but I just want you to stay low, see me. You understand? No, you're too deaf on the road. No, nothing there, no, dog.
What do you mean, say take care of my thing, brother?
Don't worry about that, man. Just know say you're safe, you see me? But not because I say you're safe, that means I have to walk up and down on the road. I understand? I don't take care of your thing. You're safe, you don't have to rub on nothing. You see me? Because you're like my brother and from so we are growing up. You see me? Play marble together. You see me? So I just want you to stay low, you see me? Because I remember say a man see your face and the man go to hospital and not dead, you know? So that's not a good thing. So I just want you to stay low, you see me? And the rest of the thing I deal with everything else. You see me? I just that are a problem. The man see your face and in the hospital, you understand? So I just want you to take care of yourself, me, man. I'm gone, you see me? Now I have to give no trouble. Because I'm not saying nothing there, you know?
What do you mean? The rest of the thing them what you deal with?
As
What you deal with?
As I said to you before, it no matter right now. You understand? Just know if you're safe. Right now, I have to go jump out, you understand? So when you connect up on the bird, you see me? So I just want you to stay low, you understand? Remember, you know, man, I love you, know. Just go and watch it, you see me? You see me?
Lando. Ropes. Connect. Rasta, please. Rasta, me are trying you to know Rasta. You know you do. Rasta, please, me are bigger. Good youth. Rasta, Rasta, please. Man, cheers to success, you know, you get richer and richer every day, you know. You see me? Yeah, man. So I get richer and richer every day. Right now, I'm uptown, if you go left country, if you look up people, you see me, I buy two of them big girl shot up on the hillside, you see me? I say, I'm sharp boy, you know. Bingo boy, queer. Look here, boy. Look here, boy. Hey, money, be a money. We rich. What you mean, man? No, sorry. Me rich. What do you mean by you rich? No, we rich. Me rich. Ropes! Garnet! I do that on tonight, man.
Maggy Films.
Maggy.
And a ball. Cheer up, man. You know, so I saw we did over Maggy Films already. That's why I say I want Maggy Films and I never told. See? So anyway, gentle people, remember the GoFundMe link for my sister surgery is in the description. So who can afford to give? Thank you in advance. Who can't? Big up on yourself, same way. And do remember, check up on your health. See? Check up on your health. Don't know you. Big up. For the people that wants it a bit clearer, yes, I'm a biological sister. See? Big up on yourself.
Maggy Films.
Maggy.
Nothing to discuss more. I get the remedy for this stress, yeah. Double cups and shy. See this night I choose to forget my trouble. I know everybody got things on their mind now, but this time can make it forget though. I get the shy, you get the jingle. If you got my, I make me link up. Me I go for party, me I go for party. All night I dey sip, I dey smoke, I dey drink or something. See this night in my phone is on silence, I don't wanna hear nothing. Nothing either. But this night I choose to forget my trouble for life. I know everybody got things on their mind now, but this time can make it forget though. I get the shy, you get the jingle. If you got my, I make me link up. Me I come for party, me I come for party. Sometimes it's just really the sun. I make sure I just let my light shine more. Anytime when it feel like this, I remind myself about this time. Big time, we jamming up. She be dey look for happiness. Make me feel okay. Make me not go that way long. Say we gon' feel amazing. Say we gon' feel okay. Everybody got things on their mind now, but this time can make it forget that. I get the shy, I get the drink up. If you got my, make me link up. Like come for back, yeah. Okay, you know I'm always alone. You running through my mind, and the weather's getting cold. And my homies getting cuffed, and I'm stuck here all alone. And I'm scrolling through the gram, and you pop up in my phone, yeah, you know. I'ma hit you on the leg slide, we don't gotta rest now. Down to this paper, this could be a secret, yeah. Girl, I like to keep things simple. Come through when you find what you went for. I remember you, girl, you my nympho. Don't tell me that changed, have you screaming my name really all night, baby. It's never too late for an all night, baby. We can settle fire for the moment, baby.